Alright, so showing you this gazebo, and beyond that you can see the train track. Don't know if you can guess where we're at or not, but if you can't, let me show you. Can you read that? I think you can. We're in Schulenburg, Texas. It's going to be hard to see because of the sun. Try to unblock it here if I can. But if you can see that water tower down there, that says Schulenburg on it. But here, I'm in the downtown section. And this building here, let me start up here, okay? You can just look down the street down there and see these buildings of True Value Hardware over there. In fact, it goes all the way to that color, that same color there. Okay, but the building I want you to really notice, is that one right there. That Singleman Hall. Look at that building. And up at the very, very top of it, it says Singleman Brothers. I think that's a neat building. I like the way that that thing looks, don't you? Very, very cool. Something worth seeing. Beautiful sky behind it too. Anyway, let's go down here and we'll go check out the rest of it. So we might as well get this look. They actually put public bathrooms out here. And here's Texas. And you can see it shows you right where Schulenburg's at in the state, in case you don't know. Right down there's a very tip. So, there you go, all of Texas. But anyway, looking over these buildings here, I think that one's pretty cool too. I like the designs that they put on these buildings. That's pretty cool. So you can see, very cute block, very cute buildings. At least they are to me. Of course, right down here we got more. This little first one here is called the Shop Downtown Coffee and something I can't read. The next one there is the Texas Polka and Music Museum. Okay. Then, if you look on down, that's the one down there with the 3 diamonds on it towards the top is the Schulenburg Historical Museum. And then this next one has furniture, flooring, wallpaper, window treatments, and much, much more giftware, it says. And then that one down there says farm supplies, hardware, more paints. So that at least used to be a hardware store down there in the corner. So that's it. Oh, and this grayish looking building up at the top, those big 3 metal looking doors up there at the very top, it says C Bombs, BOHMS 1886. Alright, so the next thing I want to show you here, this is pretty cool right here. You can see a little seating area and stuff, but this is their visitor center. Pretty neat building. Got some flowers there. Pretty cool. You can tell it used to be a house, and the visitor center took it over. It's got a really nice porch. Really, really like the porch. They are open. Here, let's see. Here's a sign that tells us a little bit about it, so you can read all of this. Make sure it's showing up. Yeah. You can pause it and read this as we go. It was incorporated in 1875. All right. Let's go over here. And here's some things to do in the area. Okay, and then down here. Alright, so that's our tour of Schulenburg. Let's end it with some nice flowers. Very nice flowers. I like those. Alright, so we'll bid it adieu this away, and I will see you on the next one.